Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I made a video this morning on rounding corners, and I stated in that video, just so everybody will keep in mind, that under Windows, Dockers, and in Corel 2019, they changed it to corners. Anything below, like in 7, 6, this is 6, Windows, Dockers, they call it fillet, scallop, and chamfer. So depending on what you're using. But I thought I'd show how to use the Alt key and the Shift key. I made this with the Pentagon tool and then I turned it into a curve. If I want to just do the inside one corners, I'm going to take my Shape tool and hold down the Alt button. The Alt button becomes a lasso for the Shape tool. Now I can hit apply and it just rounds the outside ones. With just the opposite, when you need to do just the outside ones, you would select them all, hold down the Shift and the Alt key. Your Alt key makes a lasso, but the Shift key is deselecting those. So now we can do just the outside. Pretty cool. I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.